Hello everybody. Now the last sound in our sound book number 3 is B. Here's a story that goes with it. The children have gone to park to play ball. As they hit the ball with the bat, they make a B sound. So to do the action for the B sound, you need to pretend to hit a ball with a bat. Put your fists on top of each other and then do the B sound. Now here is what Mommy B looks like and here is what Baby B looks like. To write B sound, and this is very important, you need to start at the top, go down for a bat and then bounce to draw a ball. Here maybe it looks more clearer, so you start at the top, go down for the bat. Start at the top, go down and then do a bounce for the ball. And that is how you write B sound. Here are plenty of ideas for the names of things which begin with B sound. Like to start with, there's a bat and here is a ball. Now you can see some children and some of them are B boys. There are some birds singing in the tree. There is a baby wearing a bib, sitting in its pram. Now there is a boy riding a bicycle with a basket and some bottles in it. And here are some birds which are eating something which begins with B sound as well. Can you think of what it might be? Here are some boats, and this one is going under the bridge. There is a bee. Here is one buzzing around the flowers. This boy is blowing bubbles and wearing boots. So there are many ideas for the sound B, and starting with this one, here is one big book that we are learning from. Now, when you finish thinking about words which begin with B, you need to take your B sound piece of paper and then, as usual, start with finger writing. Keep on practicing as long as you need, and then holding your pencil nicely, start tracing them first. And then writing your own B sound. Start at the top, go straight down for the bat, and then make a bounce for the ball. And you keep on doing that until you finish writing. Now when you do that, you again take another piece of paper and then stick your B sound onto it and then draw something that begins with this sound. You can use ideas from this picture or you can think about your own ideas. For example, here is one. As in B for a butterfly. Now you can draw as many things as you'd like to, as long as they begin with the B sound. Now thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing your own sound books when you finish. Bye for now.